Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually a continuation of the last video that I uploaded, which is heavily inspired by nature, and I'll be using my DIY sketchbook. So this is my sketchbook and it looks so old because I've been using this for such a long time, for years. I made it way back 2016, and also the paper that I use is Fabriano watercolor, and I really love this paper because it holds the water really well and it's not that bendy, as you can see. So I suggest if you will make a DIY sketchbook, use that as the paper. Also, for the medium, I use gouache paints. I use Mont gouache paint. So this is how it looks like. By the way, I have a separate video about this gouache. I make a review video. I'll just put the link of that video on the description box down below. And these are the colors that I use. I use 7 colors in total. And yes, and for the brush, I use this nail art brush, and there's no brand. And also this paintbrush number 8, and also it has no brand. I just ordered it online. Okay, let's start. So the reference that I use is again sent to me by my boyfriend. He's the one who took this picture because he knows that I really love painting nature, especially if it's mountain and clouds. So here it is. By the way, I want to apologize because for the past weeks, I've been uploading video, but it's just gouache painting only. I have a reason for that. It's because quarantine. Since we have a baby and it's, the pandemic, coronavirus, we decided that we will just spend the quarantine period in the province, and I couldn't bring all my art materials with me. I can bring limited amount of art materials, and the materials that I bring with me is gouache. So I have no choice but to make videos using gouache only, and but now we are back to the city, and now I have my materials with me because there's someone who messaged me and asking if I will be painting, I will be using charcoal again, and requesting if I can make a tutorial video. So don't worry, it's on the way. So just subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated when that time that I upload that video. This painting is not perfect and there's a lot of flaws, but I enjoy making it, and that's what matters. If you're making art and not many people appreciate your art, it's okay. As long as you are happy making your art, as long as you enjoy it, as long as you want it, and it's okay. It's that all that matters. It's about you. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will really appreciate it if you subscribe to this channel so that I can upload more videos like this, and also hit the notification bell beside it so that you will be updated every time I upload new videos. And bye.